We'll guide you through how to stop auto-reply in Gmail. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer screen. Type the name of your preferred web browser into the search box and open the browser by clicking it from the search results list. Allow the web browser a few moments to load completely before continuing to the next step. Once the browser is open, click on the search or address bar located at the top of the window. Type Gmail into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching. From the search results, open the official Gmail website and wait for the page to load correctly. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged into Gmail. After signing in, wait until the Gmail inbox page finishes loading completely on your screen. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the Gmail page near your account profile picture. Click the settings gear icon to open the Gmail settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select the See All Settings option so you can access the full settings page. Wait for the Gmail settings page to fully appear on your screen before making any changes. Stay inside the General tab in the settings menu because the automatic reply feature is located there. Scroll down carefully until you find the Vacation Responder section within the settings page. Locate the Vacation Responder on option that is currently enabled for your Gmail account. Click the Vacation Responder Off option to disable automatic replies from being sent to incoming emails. Review the settings carefully to confirm the auto-reply feature is turned off before saving the changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page once you are sure the correct option has been selected. Click the Save Changes button to apply the updated settings to your Gmail account. Wait for Gmail to redirect you back to your inbox page automatically after the changes are saved. Refresh the Gmail page if needed to confirm the changes were saved successfully and the Vacation Responder is no longer active. Your Gmail account will no longer send automatic reply messages to incoming emails after the feature has been disabled. You can now continue using Gmail normally for reading, sending, or organizing your messages.